exactly when Apple will launch iPhone 15 Pro Max. New date claimed. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 vs Google Pixel Fold. We have a clear winner. iOS 17 Developer Beta 7. Sneak peek of what's coming before the Apple event. Zenfone 10. You can now pre-order Asus new phone in the US. Sony details new PlayStation Pulse Elite headset and Pulse Explorer earbuds. Future Apple Watch sensors may match watch face color to your band and clothes. Internet outage hits BreezeLine customers in multiple central Ohio towns. WinRAR 0 day that uses poison JPG and TXT files under exploits in April. Samsung reveals its plans about second One UI 6.0 beta update release. PlayStation just lost one of its big 2023 console exclusives. Wi-Fi 7 isn't supported by Windows 10, only works with Windows 11, Linux and Chrome OS. Stop trying to reach the Shar Temple from the Grimford in Baldur's Gate 3. Final Fantasy XVI Star shares his Mario voice, and it's perfect.